Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on your zero-turn mower. And the mower we're working on today is the EXMARK Laser Z 52-inch with the Kawasaki 751V, and the air filter number is 11013-7044. Alright guys, we got our air filter here. Here's your housing. Move this clip, pull it off there, take the old one out. It has two filters. The inner rarely needs changed. Then you just slide the new air filter in. Put your cover back on. Put your latches back. There you go. That's how to change the air filter on your zero-turn mower. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.